you have to attend the online class. Yes? And please complete your homeworks on your daily basis. Otherwise, what will happen? It will become in a bulk and it will be more hectic to you to finish the homework. Yes? Yes. Before starting our class, first we will brush up on our daily routines. What are those? Yes, early to bed. Early you have to wake up from the bed. For daily 2 times you need to brush your teeth. And after every meal you need to wash your mouth with a clean and warm water. Okay. Then what else? Take a bath daily, once or twice. Okay. Once in the morning and another one after playing outside. You will come into the home. No, in the evening that time you can take the bath. Then what else? Yes, always wear neat, washed and iron clothes. Okay, then keep yourself hygiene and also your private parts. Then what else? Yes, trim your nails once in a week and trim your hairs once in a month. Okay children, this and all you are doing no? Yes, with that I was talking about some good values and also your personality development. What is that personality development? Yes, what we adopt in our life, that will be the personality development. What are those? Being safe. You should be yourself safe. And honesty, humbleness, responsibility, then proudness. What are those? And respect. That and all we read no in a brief. Yes, no? That you need to adopt in your life. Okay? With that you have to show love and kindness to the people who really need that. Okay children? Yes. Safety. You should be safe from the fire when you are climbing on the stairs and when you are using electric items, when you are playing in the gardens. Then what else? When you are walking on the road, when you are what else? When you are going for a shopping outside, that time you also should be safe. I told you no why, what will happen? Yes, you revise yourself all those things. Okay? With that, every day, don't forget to learn the shlokas, small ritual prayers. Then with that, our literally prayer also. Okay children? You need to learn no. When you come to school, we will ask you no. So, every day you revise yourself the literally prayer. Okay? Good. Shall we start our class? Yes. First, we are moving to our language class, that is English. Okay? English. Till now, what and all we learned? The short vowels, beginning, ending sounds, CVC words. Then what else? Consonants, vowels. Now we are learning about long vowels. In the long vowels, we learn E family, A family and I family. Long vowels of O family. In that we were learning of OA. OA. Okay. I'll write some words for your reference. Whole, soap, Todd, road. Then what else? goat. Okay? Yes. Cone, soap, toad, road, goat, coat. So many words are there. Just for your reference, I have taken only 6 words. Okay, float is there. Then what else? Clock. Clock is something. Clock. Clock is nothing but a raincoat. Okay, that word is there. That you know you can search in a Google and you can learn the words. You can type long oval words of OA. Then there are so many words you get. You can learn the words. Okay, today using this I will do some sentences. Clean your hands with lots of soap. Okay, the second one. Cycle ride on the road. Okay, the third one. The goat is singing a thought in the river. Okay, like this you can make so many sentence using the OA, long oval OA words. Okay, try at home, you will also able to do this. Okay, just I am reading some words what they are given in your phonic activity book, that is page number 19. What they are given: coat, foam, goat, road, soap, Todd, cloth, float. Okay, these are all some words of a long oval family O. Okay, with that, as read yesterday, I am reading some sentence from your Discover Phonics book, the page number 17. The goat is on the road, the Todd hid in the coat. Okay, the homework is, yes children, you all understood now? Yes, homework is 4 lines book. Make 4 sentences of your own using O A words. Okay, the second homework is your phonic activity book. Page number 19. Okay, you need to complete your phonic activity book, page number 19. These 2 homeworks for your English. Okay, now we are moving to our next class, that is sight words. This also comes in under the English only, but this is a grammar part. Okay children? Okay, yesterday we learned word, that is go. What is the meaning of go? Go. You go to your home. You go to park. We are going to purchase a frog. We are going to market. We are going to bring a new car. You go to the kitchen. You go to sleep. You go to bed. Like that mama will be saying no. Yes. Yes. That means go means hogu. In the Kannada what will tell? ಹೋಗು. ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮಿಗೆ ಹೋಗು, ಕಿಚನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಎ ಝೂ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಝೂ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೋಗು ಅಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಗೋ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸೈಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್. Children, I told you now what do you mean by side words? Yes, the word which we will use, the prefix which we will use are most in our sentences is called a side words. Okay. For example, for this, I go. I go to play. I go to bed. Okay, I sleep. I eat in kitchen. I eat in kitchen. Okay, I eat in kitchen. I go to sleep. I eat in kitchen and go to play. Okay, like that you can make a sentence using go. Okay, the homework is as usual in your 4 lines book. Make 6 sentences using side word go. Okay, this is your homework in your grammar part. Now we are moving to next class, that is our EVS. In that we were learning my friend, wild animals. Okay, my friend, wild animals. What are those? Yesterday we learned some animals they know, like tiger, lion, deer, rabbit, elephant, bear, then monkey, giraffe, then what else? Cheetah, rhino, then hippopotamus, zebra, snake. So many wild animals are there, no? That you can see where you can see the wild animals? In the forest, in the deep forest, also in the zoo and also in the circus we can see some animals there. In the circus you can see the animals after taming them. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ಕಸ್ ಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, in the forest the animals will live how they like. Okay, yes, these are all called the wild animals. Yesterday I showed you some pictures, right? I'm sorry, toys of the animals. See, can you see the animal? Which animal is this? Lion. Lion is the king of the forest. Kadina raja yaru? Lion. Lion is the king of the forest. Next one is giraffe. Who is giraffe? Giraffe is a very tallest animal. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ, ತುಂಬ ಉದ್ದ ನೆಕ್ಕಿರೋಂಥ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಅದು ಜಿರಾಫ್. So it can eat leaves which from the long trees. Okay, giraffe is a big and tallest animal. Which animal is this? This is a cheetah. Cheetah, chirte. Okay, ಇನ್ನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? leopard. Leopard, cheetah different, but both comes under a same family, that is a big cat family. Okay, cheetah, this is fastest running animal. Okay, the running animal, fastest running animal is cheetah. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ಓಡುವಂತ animal ಯಾವುದು? ಅದು cheetah. Okay, which animal is this? You all know, no? Yes, this is a elephant. Elephant is a huge animal, very weighted animal, overweighted animal. ತುಂಬಾ ಭಾರ ಇರುವಂತ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, this walk like a majesty. Okay, next one is a tiger. Tiger is a animal. This also belongs to a same category of the cat. Okay, these tiger, cheetah, leopard and a big cats. Okay, these are all belongs to same family, big cat. Okay, because it look like a cat. This tiger is the animal which eats the human beings a lot. ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಿನ್ನಂತ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is a tiger. This is fond of human flesh. Okay, next is zebra. This is a zebra which is having a black and white strips on that. Zebra is an animal walks around a lot. Walks around, ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಇದು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದು ಓಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಡೀತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ rhinoceros. Okay, this you can see, no, this belongs to a mammal group. Okay, previous ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಡೈನೋಸಾರಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ಕೆಟಗರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this is hippopotamus. This is also called a water elephant. This also weighs like a elephant. Elephant ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದು ತೂಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, but this will stay in the water. This is the animal which does not eat a human being. ಇದು ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ. Only it will eat a big fish, a whale like that. Okay, next is a bear. You all know, no? In so many stories we have seen the bear. Okay, the bear is an animal. This also will not eat the human flesh, but it will harm the human beings. ಮನುಷ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಇದು ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ. How it will make the human being to die? By making them laughing and laughing. This is the animal which loves to climb top of the tree and hunt a honey bee. ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಜೇನುತುಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ಲ. So this is a bear. We can see a bear with a white color also, that will be in a polar side, in the Himalayas, where there is a lot of ices. We can see a bear with a white color. Okay children, yes, you all understood, no? Yes. Okay, yes, yes. The homework is as usual in your interleaf book. your choice. Okay, any five pictures. Yesterday also you stick some five animals pictures, no? But today you stick other animals. Okay, if you stick five animals like tiger, bear and all, today you try to paste the pictures of deer, rabbit and all. If pictures is not there, no worry. You write a animal name and write two sentences how it looks or what are the benefits of that. Okay, this is your EVS. Okay, children. Now in that the homework is there, one worksheet in your homework. Second homework is EVS workbook. Okay, EVS workbook, match the shadows. You need to match the shadow with the particular animal. Okay, this is your homework for EVS. Now we are moving to the next thing, that is maths. Okay, in the maths, spot the differences. Okay, can you see the board? I have drawn two apples. One is big, one is small. That is not a problem. You need to see, one second, what you have to do. Okay, can you see the differences of the apple A and apple B? Can you see the differences, children? Yes, yes. Here I have put the dot which is filled. Okay, here there are small circles which is not filled. It is a empty. Okay, this is the differences what you can see. Okay, this is a one kind of differences. The another one is yesterday also I taught you using some pictures of balls, owls and all, cat and all. This is also a picture. Spot the differences. Can you spot the differences with the picture A and B? Can you see? Yes. What is that? The ball A is having a curves, long curves inside. In the ball B, curves are not there. You need to spot the picture and you need to complete the difference in that. Okay, children? This is your maths. You need to revise yourself the differences. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಒಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಬಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಇನ್ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಎ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇದೆ. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಬಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಎ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಬಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You need to spot the differences. and you need to complete it off. Okay? Yes. The homework is your maths workbook, page number 5. Okay? In that, what they are given? Spot the differences. Look at the two pictures. Spot the 4 differences between the two pictures. You need to see there are some differences. Okay, you just find it off and circle the differences. They are asking for 2 pictures, 4 differences they are asking. Just you go through that, you will come to know the difference between the picture A and picture B. You need to circle the picture which has been different from the other picture. Okay children, this is your maths. Okay, next one we are going to Kannada. Yesterday you learned letter O. Yesterday you learned the letter O, correct no? ಒಂದು. Today ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಕಲಿತೀವಿ? Big letter O. O. ಓಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅಮ್ಮ ಬೈತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಓದು. ಓದು ಓದು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್. ಓದು. ಓ ಓದು. ಓ ಓದು. ಓ ಓಟ. ಓಟ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ರೇಸ್ಗೆ ಓಟ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಓ ಓದು. ಓ ಓಟ. Okay? Okay children, the homework is as usual, complete the pages. Letter O. Complete the pages of letter O in your Kannada practice book. ಓಕೆ, 2 ಪೇಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಓ ಓ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಎಸ್, till now we learned our English long oval family of A. EVS we learned something about wild animals and their description or their facts. Okay, in the maths we learned spot the differences. Next is the Kannada, we learned the letter O. Okay children, again at the home you revise yourself